Limited started 4 years back. It started its services by serving apparel manufacturer, and then we diversified into various other sectors such as buying houses, retailers, and we developed solutions for retailers so that they can manage all of their operations starting from their back end to their front end. So our main idea was to develop an end-to-end solution which can help retailers manage their business better. Along with that, we also started serving retailers and providing them consultancies so that they can achieve maximum productivity and take their businesses to higher and higher grounds. Along with that, also we developed decision support systems for decision takers and lower level managements, telling them about their KRAs and the steps and actions they have to take by processing raw data into actual information. Our retail management solution is basically has two versions. One is on cloud and the other is on enterprise. Now, cloud technology is the latest technology which has been launched, and it has various benefits. Now let me explain basically what cloud is. Cloud is basically shared services. Let me explain this with an example. Suppose you have to take a flight from Mumbai to Delhi. You do not buy the actual plane to go from Mumbai to Delhi. You just rent the ticket and pay the price for the ticket along with other passengers, so that you can afford that service, same facilities at a lower price. So basically cloud is the same thing. You are affording IT infrastructure of giants at a very nominal price because it is shared. So the solution launched by us is on this technology only. We are also into IT consultancy. Our basic consultancy we offer is IT audit, in which the POS systems sitting on the machines of franchises or your retail chains can be audited, and the exceptions that are occurring at those systems can be captured and be indicated to you, so that you can take actual decisions and effective decisions to control them. In consultancy, we also offer decision support systems which help you to perform your KRAs. We have also diversified into various sectors such as restaurants, apparel, pharmacy, institute, antique clocks, etc.